Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. What's good, y'all? We're about to check out BGYO Trash. That came out recently, actually. This is like a day ago. Let me show y'all. Bam! We already got Mickey right here. These guys are so talented. I got to work with these guys and hang out with these guys, and they're just hilarious. Can I say that? I don't know. Funny, witty, talented, can sing, dance, do everything. Shout out to the boys. I don't think I got to meet JL, but I met the rest of the members: Jello, Akira, Nate, Mickey. They were all dope. We got some content coming up soon with them. So be on the lookout on my Instagram at JustRandomEveryday, or my TikTok at JustRandomEveryday, or even on YouTube. But we're gonna check this out. I got to hear a little bit of it, and I was already in love. I already love it. It was like, first of all, what a name. First of all, Trash. I was like, oh, you gonna call your name Trash? But I get it. Put it in the trash. Put it in the past. You already know. So I did hear a little bit already, but I just came back from Disneyland. I treated myself to a little early birthday like celebration, you know, me and my girlfriend. But we're back, and I was gonna rest and play some video games, but you know what? Let's check out some BGYO. This is fun for me too. So either way, all right. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Is this song all in English too? Hello. Ooh, whose voice is that? Whoa. Oh, yo, Mickey caught that. He's been so good in a business suit. Dang, why you do him like that? Damn, that look back too. He's so good looking. Ooh, Jello. You ready for me? What you ready to do? How the hell did you get so dirty? What one scene you not dirty? Dang, he ready. Look at him, dirtied up and everything. He better shower first, sir. Ooh. So funky. Trash. Oh, I like the outfits. Okay. Wish I got to meet JL as well. Ooh. Oh. Hey. Oh, what a pause. But I was gonna say, working with kids can be a lot sometimes. Ah, that one look though. Wait, who's Trash? You told your whole kindergarten class trash? He's like, y'all trash. Oh, he ditched them though. Hey. Oh, he a janitor? Dang, he working. He doing more dancing than working. Hey, shout out to my boy Nate. Oh. Dang, I like how they like said cake and paused on him, because that boy got cake. Not that I was looking. What's up, Akira? I'm ready for you. Ooh. I'm ready for you. Oh, he's so adorable. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. Hey, I need to be a part of a BGYO music video. Let me know. Dang! Yo, that's assault. Wait. This man. Hey. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. Ain't that assault? You can't just be hitting somebody just jumping off, acting all cute. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. Nah. Ooh. In the trash, put it in the past. Dang. Ooh, the change of suits too. Oh, my bad with the pause. Damn, everybody looking crazy right now. Woo. Hey. Damn, that was kind of crazy, that move. Boom. In the trash. Oh, she got a No way, you kidding me? You too crazy? Oh my god.
I'll throw it all away for you in the trash. Put it in the trash.
Oh shit. I actually did not expect that. I like that actually. That was fire. First of all, the song itself is already funky. It's already catchy. It's already in my head. It's an earworm. And then the music video, the whole plot twist. You know what? That be life sometimes. That do be life. Have you ever thought that the girl that you be crushing on already, that's someone that they got? And sometimes it might not be a boy. It might be your homegirl. He said, oh my bad, let me go back to my job, to my 9 to 5. Hey, big up to BGYO. Go check out Trash, go stream it. That is catchy, as you heard. Tell me, put in the comments down below what you guys think of the song, the music video. I thought the music video was cute. Of course, shows each and every one of the members' personalities. They look cute, they look good. All right, y'all, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, your boy got a Patreon. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. Let me know in the comments if you want more BGYO content. Let me know. Like this video for BGYO. And be sure to follow my socials, Instagram at JustReAMERS, and it's also the same as TikTok at JustReAMERS, and TikTok's at JustReAMERS. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.